Welcome back to the channel. So I really want to discuss about Skillz stock because the recent price action and earnings report has been brought to my attention. This video is going to be as simple as it gets. Two things: what made me decide to invest in Skillz stock in the first place, are the best reasoning valid, then if they are not, why I think now is the best time to buy Skillz stock. Now before I get into it, I'm gonna cut all the introduction on what Skillz is all about and go straight to it. But if you are looking to learn more about Skillz stock, feel free to check out the video over here where I gave a brief intro as well as my bull and bear thesis. Also before that, please hit the like button, it really helped my channel massively. So back to what I was saying, at the peak, Skillz stock was trading at $46.30. Then as it dipped, most are probably thinking, hey, this is a good buy the dip situation. But every single time you buy the dip, Skillz stock continues to drop and now trading at around $15, which is about 70% dip from all-time high. Then you start to wonder, maybe I've made a huge mistake on this, right? How much lower can it go? Well, the truth is, no one knows. But ultimately, my question to you guys is, what made you decide to invest in Skillz stocks in the first place? I don't know what's in for you guys honestly, but for me, it's really simple. See, many people do not understand Skillz mobile esport platform, and rightly so, because in all honesty, not many people can relate to Skillz existing genre games like cards and board games. So they don't really see the potential behind it. Now I want to correct this misconception. What Skillz is trying to do is expand the reach of the platform to enable new gaming genre ranging from real-time strategy to fighting, racing to first-person shooters. In other words, multiplayer content is the ultimate goal for Skillz. To have similar games like Fortnite, Call of Duty and Need for Speed, but with the added form in price competition. Look, once that happens, I'm very confident that everything will be completely different for Skillz moving forward. Now let's also look at the recent earnings report. Some analysts liked what they saw, but many did not. The funny thing is, no one can really tell you what's the true value of this stock simply because there are no equivalent competitors in the market for us to truly evaluate. Well, unless you consider Zynga and Glue Mobile as their competitors, but I beg to differ. Looking at the first quarter of 2021 earnings report, at first glance, you can see most are up massively. Revenue was up, monthly active user was up, zero debt, 630 million cash on hand. 2021 revenue guidance was actually raised to $375 million as well. So it's actually quite impressive. Yet many analysts are still not liking what they saw because one, net losses has surged from $15.5 million to $53.6 million, largely thanks to massive marketing and sales expense. Two, despite all the investment in marketing, monthly active users have grown by only 4% year over year to 2.7 million in this quarter. Let me tell you something, Skillz measures success by paying users. They are the ones that actually bring in revenues for the company. This means that revenue can still continue to grow even when the numbers remain stagnant. Important concept to take note, Skillz is a platform that provides software to developers, taking their regular mobile game and turning it into an esport event to monetize their game. So as long as they can continue to scale up and bring in new hit games to their platform, which is really important, monthly active user will eventually come in over time. I hope you guys remember why you decided to invest in this stock in the first place. If what I said doesn't really align with what you believe in, then I would highly suggest you to avoid this stock given that this company is still far from making money. For me, I like the long-term vision, strong brand partnership with the likes of NFL, upcoming international expansion in India, and most importantly, strong technology platform that has proved to outperform ad support and in-game purchases revenue model. So it really made it really easy for me to actually buy and hold this stock. You guys can control emotion and get rich on this. Well, that's all I have for this video. As always, please hit the thumbs up button so that this video can reach to a brand new audience. Also remember to subscribe for new future video if you want to learn and watch more on my elaborated stock research. Till next time.